All right, guys, we're headed out. We're gonna go scout the afternoon. We got done hunting, went to the cafe, got something to eat. We all took a shower, took a little bit of a nap. We're gonna head out for the afternoon, hopefully find a field full of snow geese for tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny, north wind, and cold tomorrow. Perfect snow goose weather. So we're gonna go hopefully find some feeds, get some awesome scouting footage, and then smash the snow geese tomorrow. So we'll see you when we see some geese in the field.
We don't want them in that field anyway. Yeah, we want them in that one.
All right, guys, that field we just drove by is actually the field we were looking at this morning. They were all going down in. It's like 80 acres, just solid white. We never seen anything like that back home. There's probably 3 or 4 more feeds just all around it. So probably gonna hunt that field in a ditch line somewhere and use the panels in the morning, but should be awesome. I've never gotten to hunt this many snow geese, so we'll get after them in the morning. Hopefully we get a kill a few.
Kind of excited about next weekend, but I really wish it was colder this morning.
Yeah, it's like not that cold.
Anybody can be a meteorologist. Doesn't take much.
We're getting loaded up, about to head out to the field. Got all our snow goose decoys. Truck's loaded up with a heck of a lot of stakes. I think we got 12 guys today, maybe 14 guys, and we're hunting that giant snow feed we saw yesterday. So we're excited. This might be a pretty big hunt. We're gonna get out to the field, get all decoys set, get all the guys in the blinds, hopefully start smashing the snow geese. Hope you guys enjoy it. I heard you weren't too excited.
No, weather wasn't quite what they asked for. That's cute.
Yeah. What is that, Hunter?
Half the crew's already on foot.
You're kidding.
Yeah, they left out in the dark. There goes
load up.
Good, Jake.
It's all right to me. All right, sounds good.
GoPro today.
All right. All right, we're in, guys. It's about 5-10 minutes after shooting time, and geese are coming. I gotta go. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Yeah. Get him, Jake. Guys, that was amazing. We just finished probably, I don't know, 100, and we got geese all over us. So we're just gonna keep on picking at them here. I don't know how many we dropped out of that. Looks about like 10, 15. We've only got 3 shots. This is the last day of regular goose season. So there's geese all over. We're gonna keep pounding on them, and I hope this footage is sick. Gonna lay back down and cover up and hope we get some more of that. What? See anything else? More geese are rolling off. It'll just be a constant stream probably for the next couple hours. As long as we keep doing that, we're gonna be alright. Here we go, guys. God, this is so cool. There's nothing like just laying under thousands of geese and fooling them. Oh God. Look how pretty that thing is. We're stacking them up. There's nothing quite like that, guys. I mean, hey, if you're enjoying this video as much as I am, hit the like button, share it, do whatever, guys. This is awesome. This is so cool. This is everything I wanted to. And we don't even have extensions in our gun. Imagine if we had 10 shots going at these things. This is so awesome. Good shooting, boys. Get him, Jake, man. There.
Shouldn't be that many. I mean, we're...
I want to kill some more snogies. All right, well, that's it, guys. We just finished up our specs. I killed 30 specs and probably 20 snows, I'd say. We want to stay and keep shooting snows, but it's just not an ethical thing to do. We can't. It's hard to differentiate them between the snows and the specs. So as soon as we kill our spec limit, we're done. We don't want anything to happen. So we're gonna get picked up here, get all the decoys out. Fast morning. It's only 8 o'clock. We've probably only been here for an hour and a half hunting. So get stuff picked up and get out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, guys, on the next video, we'll be hunting in the Max Prairie Wings snow goose competition. We'll be able to have extensions on that hunt, and it should get pretty wild. So, as always, if you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to subscribe. There's going to be a lot more stuff from Arkansas down here. Yeah, we should have some good hunts for the next 3 weeks. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
We're hitching.
Hey guys, well, I'm about to head home back to Missouri, but before I leave, I just wanted to mention I came down here to Arkansas to hunt with Hunter Stafford and Chase Milligan. They both run an operation called Wild Goose Chase. They guide specklebelly and snow goose hunts in December and January, and they always have really good success. If you are interested in coming on a hunt down in Arkansas, I'd highly suggest that you hook up with these guys. They're super nice. They've become my friends, and I can promise you that you're gonna have a good experience. All their information is gonna be linked below. If you wanna get in contact with them, you can email them at wildgoosechase1@yahoo.com, or their phone numbers will be put in the description below. Just give them a call, get in contact with them, and ask them questions if you're unsure. Like I said, guys, I had a great time. Next weekend is the Max Prairie Wings Snow Goose competition. I'm really excited about that. These guys won it last year and got second the first year. So really hoping they do well in that, and I can get some good footage. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.